This is a demo video of GenQuest, an AI-powered interactive narrative game. After players log in, they are presented with several customizable options, including the genre, theme, and any story elements they would like to include. For example, here the player selects the drama genre and decides to go with a theme of slice of life. Then the player types the details they want. Next, the player clicks Generate Scenes, and sample texts representing 6 proficiency levels are displayed. The player selects the level they are comfortable with and then clicks Start Story. The game initialization process usually takes around 40 to 50 seconds. During this time, brief instructions explaining how to play the game are displayed. Once the game begins, the player is presented with the opening scene, accompanied by an illustration. At the end of each scene, several choices are provided. The player's selection determines how the story unfolds. The next scene is then generated dynamically. To minimize waiting time, the text is generated first, followed by the accompanying illustration. The player continues progressing through the story in the same way until reaching one of the possible endings. If the player encounters any unfamiliar words, phrases, or even complete sentences, they can simply highlight the text on the page. A question mark icon will appear. Clicking it provides a contextualized explanation of the selected text. The first time this feature is used, a pop-up window asks which language the player would like the explanations to be provided in. The explanation language can be changed at any time through the Lookup History panel, where all previous lookup queries are also stored. After reaching the end of the story, the player has the option to complete a review quiz based on all the vocabulary and expressions they looked up during gameplay. Feedback on the quiz is generated by a large language model. Players can also revisit previously completed stories through the History panel. That concludes this demonstration. Thank you for watching.